Pete the Cat's Groovy Guide to Life by Kimberly and James Dean. He's ready. Life takes courage. Be brave. Pete, once upon a time. To begin, William Wordsworth. If you don't know where you're going, any path will get you there. Lewis Carroll. Go with the flow. Keep it simple. Chill out. Life is really simple, but we insist on making it complicated. Confucius. Far out. With friends, you are never alone. Walking with a friend in the darkness is better than walking alone in the light. Helen Keller. Opportunity is missed by most people because it comes dressed in overalls and looks like work. Thomas Edison. Amazing things happen when you work hard. Pete. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Wayne Gretzky. Go for it. Pete. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that an airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. Henry Ford. Groovy. If you try, you can fly. Be yourself. Everyone else is already taken. Oscar Wilde. If you want to be cool, just be you. Pete. Make each day your masterpiece. John Wooden. Look for the good in every day. Pete. It's cool to color outside the lines. Every child is an artist. The problem is how to remain an artist once we grow up. Pablo Picasso. You must do things you think you cannot do. Eleanor Roosevelt. Nothing is impossible. Pete. Write it on your heart that every day is the best day in the year. Ralph Waldo Emerson. The birds are singing, the sky is bright, the sun is shining. I'm feeling all right. They should call him Positive Pete. Be kind, for everyone you meet is fighting a hard battle. Plato. With a smile and a little kindness, you can make someone's day better. Pete. Oh, he gave him heartburn relief. This too shall pass. Unknown. Above the clouds, the sun is always shining. Pete. Don't talk too much. Pete. A meowing cat catches no mice. A Yiddish proverb. I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work. Thomas Edison. There are no failures, just lessons. Everybody is a genius, but if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it is stupid. Attributed to Albert Einstein. Being different is very cool. There is something everyone can do. Pete. Hope is the thing with feathers that perches in the soul and sings tunes without the words, and never stops at all. Emily Dickinson. Don't lose hope. Keep on rocking. Pete. Be happy. Most folks are happy as they make up their minds to be. Most folks are as happy as they make up their minds to be. Abraham Lincoln. Smooth seas don't make skillful sailors. Proverb. It can get tough, but you're tougher. Pete. A man who carries a cat by the tail learns something he can learn in no other way. Dude, don't even think about it. Pete. Right? If music be the food of love, play on. William Shakespeare. Keep strumming. Tuna. Be kind whenever possible. It is always possible. Dalai Lama. Kindness starts with me. Pete. A well-spent day brings happy sleep. Leonardo da Vinci. It's a good day. Pete. The end.